I am crocheting a scarf. I need a little help. I need a little help. I want to add these hairy things at the end of the scarf. I am going to be using this melon-flavored yarn.
And a black yarn.
I want long fringes like the one in the picture.
But my hands are so small. Ew.
I finally know why my giant useless brother exists. Cut, cut. Now let's put it onto the scarf.
Fucking where is it? Where the is it? I swear to
I think this looks like a horse's tail. Anyway, you guys tell me. Should I add them or not? 'Cause I can't make decisions to save my life.